Your Poco X7 not waking up? We've got you covered. First up, let's charge it. Plug your Poco X7 into a charger and give it at least 30 minutes. Even if you don't see any lights, just be patient. Still no luck? Time for a forced restart. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button together for about 10 seconds. This should give your phone the kick it needs. If it's still snoozing, check for physical damage. Look for cracks, bent buttons, or signs of liquid damage. Try a different charger and cable. Sometimes, faulty accessories are the culprits. If your phone's seen water, dry it thoroughly and consider a repair center. Lastly, enter recovery mode. Press and hold the power button and volume up button to access it. Here you can try a factory reset, but remember this will erase all data. And if all else fails, contact Poco support or visit a repair center. Especially if your phone's under warranty or you suspect hardware issues. Don't worry, your Poco X7 will be back in action soon.